guys, this is Suman. Welcome to Tarot Fragrance Suman. Today I'm going to be giving you reading for the month of August. So this reading is going to be for all signs, that is air, fire, earth and water. So guys, this reading is going to be a general reading for all of you for the month of August, and we are going to find out what is that we have for you for the month of August when it comes to your love and relationship, and we are also going to find out what is that how you're going to be doing when it comes to your career and finances. Okay, and in the end, as usual, I'm going to be taking one card as advice from the universe. So without wasting the time, let us start the reading for you for the month of August. And thank you all of you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos, also sharing them with your near and dear ones. And yes, I'm going to be telling you till you subscribe to my channel. So yes guys, those who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel as soon as possible. Like the videos and also share the videos with everyone. Whosoever you feel is interested in tarot reading, please share my videos with them. Okay, so let us call upon all the angels from the universe to help us out with the reading. So this reading is for the month of August. The first card is Ace of Swords. Somebody wants to talk to you clearly, a direct communication. Somebody is expecting you to either directly communicate with them, or if you don't do, then your partner is going to be confronting you. Okay, the second card is the Fool card. So this time around, I think your partner is thinking of taking a risk. He is not going to be listening to anybody. This time I think he's going to be listening to what is that her or his intuition says them. And also see, there have been a lot of people actually who have been stopping this fellow, your partner, to not to talk to you. I think, see, not to talk to you. So he is not going to be bothering about anybody, because I think all this while he was like kind of spending all his energy and time in pleasing others. So this time he's not going to be listening to anybody, and he's going to be straight away talking to you. This is what this card shows, and I'm so very happy. See, this is the decision of your life. To some extent you can take help from your friends or anybody for that matter, but when it comes to something wherein you feel you are really serious about it, then no matter how bad that decision of yours could be, but you should be the solo person who should be taking the decision about that. You should not all the time should be depending on others. It's your life, you know what to do and what is best for you, right? Yes. So I'm extremely happy that that card has come for you. See, all this while actually when we were doing the readings and all, I have never come across this kind of a combination, because what I felt that your partner always had this energy wherein he always depended on others to instruct him what is that he or she should be doing, right? So this time the cards are totally different and they are so positive. So the third card is Six of Wands. Fourth card is High Priestess. And the fifth card is Three of Pentacles. I like this card. And the bottom energy, I'm going to be taking the other part. Queen of Swords. This is your energy. Okay. I don't know whether you are able to see the cards or not, but then yes, I'm going to be holding the cards in my hand and I'm going to be showing the cards to you one by one. So as I told you, with these two cards I've already, because I was so very excited to tell you about these two cards, because this is a very beautiful combination. So this card is something wherein a person is extremely confident about what is that he has to communicate to his or her partner. He's very clear about it, and he wants to take the charge also in his hand, and he wants to kind of openly discuss with you what is that he or she thinks about you. So this time, even if there are certain topics which you feel are very sensitive and should not be spoken directly on the face, but then what he is thinking is it's better that things get clear upfront and there are no hidden agendas. So this is what this person is thinking, your partner is thinking right now. So he is going to be discussing about all those topics also which you normally are very afraid to talk to, or or to share with your partner or with anybody for that matter. So he's going to be very clear about all those things. So there are chances that he may also ask you certain things which you always felt that you have to keep those things as secret or something. So this time around your partner is going to ask you everything about if he has any such doubt that you're hiding something. So he's going to be asking you to tell him everything about yourself, or even if he feels that even if he has slightest of doubt that you are hiding something, so he would ask you to tell him or her everything. So he's going to be very straight with you, and even he is going to be talking to you about whatever he feels he might have hidden from you, or might have felt little hesitant to talk to about all those sensitive topics or sensitive subjects. So he's going to be talking to you everything. This is what I feel. And this time around he has decided that he's not going to be taking anybody's permission or anybody's opinion whether he should be doing that or not, because in the past there were a lot of people who he was talking to about you, or about what is that he or she should be behaving with you, when it comes to your relationship with him. So I think he might have had some bad experiences, or he might have thought that all this while he had been taking their opinion and all, and things did not work for him. So now he is thinking of not to talk to anyone and straight away listen to his heart and be very open with you. Very straight and candid talk he wants to have with you. A very candid, clear cut, crystal clear conversation. This is what he wants from you, and he's very confident about it. And when he approaches you and all, he's going to be like, I take pride in getting myself reintroduced to you, in getting myself known as your partner. So he does not even have this fear of declaring it officially also, in case if it is required, that yes, she is my partner or he is my partner. So this amount of confidence this partner of yours has for the next month. I think next month is going to be a very ripe month, or a very right kind of a month to to be very candid with your person. This is what I feel. And yes, with High Priestess and all, he sees you. Your person sees you in this energy. He sees you in this energy. That means he is seeing you in a very high, what is that? in a very, he feels that you are somebody who's got a lot of wisdom, who's well learned, and who's very respectable, and who's somebody who the world looks up to, or there are a lot of people around you who look up to you as their mentor or something. This is what he sees you. Yes. Why I'm saying this? Because this card has come along with Six of Wands. So he's taking pride in introducing you, or even thinking that you are his friend, or you are her friend. So he's taking pride in that. He's feeling absolutely amazing, and absolutely, you know, very happy and very great to feel that you are his or her partner. And with the Three of Pentacles, it looks as if he is going to be talking to you about many things, not only about relationship, but also about how about working together. This is how he is going to be talking to you. How about if you work together? See, how about if we start some project together? How about if we have certain things common, certain things which are of common interest to both of us? How about if we start that project together, or working on that project together, or working on the common interest that we have? This is what he's going to be talking to you. So this energy is something wherein now this time he is like, no, if I feel that she or he is the right kind of candidate for me, then it is better that I should not be hiding anything from. This is also a card of hiding something. So he doesn't want to hide anything, because this is what making things clear, clear conversation. So he's not listening to anyone. He's like, no, I have to take that leap of faith and start talking to my person openly. So he's going to be talking to you, and you are going to be in this energy. This is your energy. It's like, yes, 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 this is what I always wanted. This is what I always have been wanting from you. Yes, yes, and yes. Why? Yes, 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 3 times. Yes, this is how I wanted our relationship to be starting on, or starting with all that passion, with all that confidence. This is what you always have been wanting from your partner. So you're getting it ultimately, and you're also asking your partner to be uh, in this energy where there is equal give and take, equal amount of effort put into any kind of a project if you start together, you know. So if he is loving and caring towards you, even you are going to be equally loving and caring towards him. If he has been taking the responsibility of the relationship to be continuing and be smooth throughout, she is also, or he is also going to be same with you. This is what these cards are telling, and this is an absolutely amazing and an awesome energy for both of you for the month of August. I'm so very happy, guys. I'm not even feeling like taking advice from the universe for you, because you people have now behaving so maturely, and it's like now whatever wisdom you had with you, you have never been using that. Now this time you have thought of using your wisdom in a proper manner, and you're going to be with each other and would be enjoying each other's company. Not only enjoying each other's company, but would be taking pride in being each other's partner. Extremely awesome, amazing energy. Anyways, let us, as it's a ritual and we always take advice from the universe, let me just find out one card for you in name of advice from universe. So what is that you advise our viewers for the month of August? Universe, please give me one card. See, universe is telling you that it's King of Cups. This King of Cups is all love. What does that mean? That means this energy actually had been missing in your relationship before. Your partner has been hiding his feelings. Your partner has been, oh, I am a king. I have to be like, behave one. I have to be like, not express my feelings. I have to be like, if I express my feelings and all, I may look weak or I may look needy. Or I'm a king. I cannot afford to express my feelings so easily to anyone. But this time, your universe is telling you, don't be in that energy. You can be in that energy, but you can carry that energy with lot of grace. You can express your feelings also at the same time. Expressing feeling doesn't mean that it makes you any less a king. So universe is asking you to express your emotions properly and openly, in honestly and sincerely with your partner. So with this, I finished this reading for you for the month of August. It has been a beautiful and a wonderful reading. I'm extremely happy for all of you, and I hope to see that you guys, if you have had any kind of a tiff with each other or any kind of a problem or any kind of a doubt, this will vanish in the month of August and you guys are going to be extremely enjoying togetherness. Okay, so with this, I end this reading for the month of August, and we'll be meeting in the next video with a very nice and a beautiful and an awesome topic. Yes, I promise you. And till then, please do take good care of yourself, and bye. See you guys. Extremely keeping fingers crossed. Thank you so much. See you guys. Bye.